If you all the way up top, nigga, what's up? Put your lights on right now. Put them up, put them up.
Paper Empire.
Hey, ladies, I need y'all help. I need your help. I need your help. I know y'all can do it. I need you to bring the Glock out right now. I need you to sing. He Glock, 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 he Glock. One time, one time, one time. Let's up in the building. Whoa, whoa, whoa. You get the picture without the fire. Pull out the pistol, I pick it up, hey. Play off the tank with his motherfucking brain. I shoot the kill so you know I got aim. You just a shit so we know what to play. Yeah, as soon as I walk through the door, this how the answers is cold. Young nigga all about his dog. My nigga come get your home. Shake it, shut down, have a smoke. Candy, I won't be a roll. Put 20 racks on my roll train. These niggas hate us all. Hey, play some new shit, man. Let's get this shit started.
I told you, bro.
I came in this world by myself. Self-made, never asked no one for help. The little killer cook, I don't think he should be a chef. The day a nigga play with Glock, he get put on the shelf. He get put in a box, like a Christmas present. Did you showing me that thing? This is never coming, don't love me no more.
Let's go!
I should choose a breeze, what the fuck you mean? I can walk, dripping, chocolate creams, money ain't a thing. Yellow take the scene, the pop don't like no bean. Yellow done the cheddar cheese, if they hate it, let them be. All these hoes on me like please, if they love me like dog. This is my purpose, this one for Christmas. Let's go play with all, but I know they hate they phone. I heard these niggas talking down, I don't go with my brother. So what I'm gonna be tough, look, I keep it on the side of me. They don't miss a bad nigga, people niggas trying to be my riches like it's time to eat. I told you that I'm running home, I just catch another chick. This time was a starting point. might keep me a 30. Shit get ugly, I got it.
Paper round empire.
Look, check it out. Hey, what's up? This is Glockaveli tour, right? Hey, let me play some more of this Glockaveli shit right quick. I really want to see who's famous and other shit right quick.
Made away right now.
Treat me like a hoe, nigga, no, nigga, these bitches call me the GOAT. Till I know your man, still take care of that GOAT. Let's go! Yeah. I've been running around since a chick. Grandma never raised a bitch. I'm off the first, pick up the stick. 14 turned into the brick. You must make her not take your shit. Let it get some take your yeah. Pussy still better play with this clip. Running wild since a chick. Grandma never raised a bitch. I'm off the first, pick up the stick. 14 turned into the brick. You must make her not take your shit. Let it get some take your bitch. Pussy still better play with this clip. I don't know what you thought, but they is. Glockaveli all right now. I got little chickens up. Hey, what my day one Glock fans at? I want you to play some old shit, like some old Glock, old Glock.
Doing a pound on your pound.
Like a pound right now. 30,000 in my mouth. I can't wait to crack a smile. I'm turned up, can't turn me down. Bitch, I made my mama proud. Yeah. Diamond chokers in my neck. Wait, I might drown. Bitch, I'm playing with a chain. I don't play around. Thumbing through that cash, yes, I love how it sounds. Screw the hard knocks, bitch, got my Cali gown. I'm paying up my money, they say I ain't funny now. Ain't shit changed, I've been doing this since a child. Talk of the town, I went the rounds, I never make a sound. I always held it down, used to jump the other side, now I jump in the crowd. Rockstar style, nigga, top going wild, yeah.
to the phone. You know the dollar about this motherfucking
another check again. I be killing shit, Lord forgive me for my sins. Yeah, my wrist goes a Rari and my image goes a Benz. My bitch is a Barbie when they kid, not kid. I fired on my punch, then I do for broken wings. Double on my cup, I said lean, not chin. I be high as fuck, it feel like my head spinning. But no, I ain't spinning, you know, time with these kids. Hey, hell nah, give me head, keep your drop. Big dog, I don't know about the shop. Bling loud, you regret I have a fall.
Your favorite track. Hey, Phoenix, can you play his favorite track? Make some noise right now.
If you know this dog shit word for word, I need y'all to come over here and help me perform this shit. Who got it? Who ain't shot? Who got it? If you know this dog shit word for word, put it on your phone and say these dogs. I need 3 people. How many you got? 3? I need y'all to get them. I need 3 people.
Hey, middle fingers up, yeah, if you don't give a fuck. One more time, one fingers up, if you don't give a fuck, let's go. Hey, see?
Yo, just the practice run, y'all. It's the real shit right here, y'all.
Nigga, you to nobody. You ain't got nobody. See niggas, they nobody. You ain't got nobody. Step up on the scene. I'm in Billy off screen. Check the boy, Louis V. I'm so fresh and so clean. Stuff the bands in my jeans. Snap the burgers and them things. To the trigger, let it sing. They gon' smoke a rosy green. I got honey, blue and green. Try to race on double G's. Yeah, I'm a Gucci fiend. Feel like Tarzan on the trees. I get so high, I can't breathe. I know, bro, bitch, I'm a king. But I never leave my feet. Yeah, what the fuck you mean? I'm ready to get exhausted.
I think we need to do one more though, because
Man, I might do 2 more. Fuck that. Come on.
2 more.
Yeah.
So practice it. Let's do 2 more.
Come on, you waste time.
Let's go! That's the way. Let me through.
I just read her text and said she blowing up, I'm gon' turn around. Like, when you going home because I'm she ready for that. She said she ready, she ran up through that. Diamonds like Captain Coach Mary. She do what I tell her, yeah, that's my little fairy. Just hustle man since I got my parents. I'm walking on my back, so leaning it down. The brother still messed up, I guess. But when you jump off the porch, I told her money, but shit. Yeah, I'm ready for whatever, ready, let's get at it. Brings out you one, that's some little devil. Just got the new bells, cooked up for whoever. Smoking in, you have it, you brush it, no matter. Bitch think I'm drinking, I just talk too loud. Bro think I'm tripping, 4K on the loose one. Block be the name, and I'm hollering. Yeah, my way out the kitchen. Yeah, I gotta get mine, I don't know about yourself. Got money in my mind, money all on the shelf. Just run up my back with some petty and stuff. Every time once a night see me, she yell. This shit forever, she love me to death. Just bad bitch, I'm a big bang on myself.